My name is Chris Bartolo. I'm from Torrance, California, and I drive a 2005 Subaru Outback 2.5 XT Limited. My build is, I believe, a special build. It's not a common platform that people modify. I wanted something that can do a little bit of all. I've heard of Whiteline through a couple of my buddies that are track-oriented, track-based, and I believe the parts, when building my Outback, I wanted something that was fully adjustable and actually performs, because it is my daily and I do plan to track this thing. All right, we got the fully adjustable Whiteline rear sway bars with the heavy-duty end links as well. We also have the fully adjustable front and rear lateral links. Definitely major components that help this car in performing and gripping, because the factory sway bar system is definitely much thinner, so the thicker sway bar definitely helped us out a lot. Pretty much everything on the car as of right now is Whiteline as far as suspension components go. So yeah, recently we just did Subi Fest 2018. That was our first event and the car handled better than expected. We do plan to do Global Time Attack in 2019, as well as a few other local track events in the near future. As of right now, the car handles substantially better than expected. And looking forward to what 2019 has to bring us.